Hey everyone, welcome back to Sidekick English, the podcast that helps you learn English with simple, fun conversations. If you are new here, I'm Maya.
And I'm Theo. We're your English sidekicks. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to Sidekick English, like this episode, and share it with a friend who is learning English too. It really helps the channel, and it helps you keep learning.
Today's topic is important. Very important. The title is Don't Waste Your Time. Don't waste your life.
That sounds serious.
It is serious. But don't worry, we will talk about it in a friendly way. We will talk about time, about life, and about how to use your time better so you don't feel like you are wasting your life.
And we will do it with easy English so you can understand everything, even if you are a beginner. Just relax, listen, and enjoy the story and the ideas.
So let's start with a simple question. Where does your time go every day?
Maya, are you asking me or the listeners?
Both. But I'm very curious about you, Theo. Where does your time go?
Okay, I will be honest. Some time goes to work, some time goes to sleep, and too much time goes to my phone.
Yes. The magic black hole in your hand. The smartphone.
Exactly. I say I will just check one thing and then boom, 40 minutes are gone. I don't even know what I watched.
That is a common problem. Many people do that. You open one video, then another, and suddenly half of your evening is gone.
It's strange. At the end, I don't feel happy. I just feel empty. Like I ate a big bag of chips. It was fun for 10 minutes, and then I feel bad.
That is a perfect image. Junk food for the brain.
And the thing is, time is not like money. With money, if you waste it, you can try to make more. Time does not work like that.
Exactly. When a day is gone, it is gone forever. You cannot say, "Excuse me, universe, I would like a refund. For last Tuesday, I wasted it."
I would like a refund for the last 5 years of scrolling.
So let's think about this. What does it mean to waste time?
For me, wasting time is doing something again and again, but it does not help my life, it does not help my body, it does not help my mind, and it does not help my heart.
I like that. It doesn't help your life, body, mind, or heart. So it's empty time.
Yes, of course, it's okay to relax. Watching a movie is not always a waste. Playing a video game is not always a waste. It depends. The problem is when you do it too much, without control.
I agree. If you watch one episode of a show and then you stop and you feel good, that's fine. But if you watch 7 episodes and then you feel tired, sad, and stressed, that is wasting time.
And sometimes we say, I don't have time for important things. But the truth is, we had time. We just spent it on something else.
Yes. Many people say, "I don't have time to learn English," and then they watch short videos on their phone for 3 hours.
For example, imagine you want to learn English. If you spend 20 minutes every day listening to this podcast, in 1 year your English will be much better.
But if you say, "I will do it later," and you always choose social media instead, your English stays the same. Nothing changes.
So when you waste your time, you are not only wasting minutes, you are also wasting possible future versions of yourself.
That sounds deep, Theo.
Thank you. Sometimes I try.
Let's talk about one big idea. Life is made of days, and days are made of hours. When you waste hours every day, you slowly waste your life.
Many people think, it's only 10 minutes, it's only 15 minutes, but these small pieces are like Lego blocks. They build your life.
If you waste small pieces every day, you build a life that you don't like. If you use small pieces well, you build a life you are proud of.
So how can we stop wasting our time in our life?
First, we need to see where our time goes. Many people don't know.
Yes, they just move through the day like a zombie. Wake up, phone, work, phone, social media, sleep. Repeat.
Zombies with Wi-Fi.
That's my favorite horror movie.
Here is a simple exercise. For one day, write down what you do every hour. Just write a few words. For example, 7 minus 8, breakfast and phone. 8 to 9, bus and music. 9 to 12, work. 12 to 13, lunch and YouTube.
At the end of the day, look at your list. You will see how much time you use well and how much time you waste.
Many people are shocked when they do this the first time.
Yes, they see phone and social media again and again. It's like a bad pattern.
When you see the pattern, you can change it. You can say, okay, I don't want 3 hours on social media. I will try 1 hour. And I will use the other 2 hours for something better.
Like learning English, or exercising, or talking to a friend, or reading.
Or working on a dream. A project. Something important to you.
Let's talk about dreams and time. Many young adults have dreams. They want to travel, to start a business, to make music, to write a book, to study, to become better at something.
But later, when they are older, they say, I had dreams, but I didn't have time.
And usually that is not true. They did have time. They just did not protect it.
I like that word, protect. You must protect your time like you protect your money, your house, your heart.
Yes. Imagine your time is a big, beautiful cake. If you don't protect it, everyone takes a slice. Social media takes a slice. TV takes a slice. Your lazy habits take a slice. At the end, the cake is gone.
And you are hungry and confused.
So how do we protect our time?
One way is to say no more often. Many people say yes to everything. Yes, I will go out even if I am tired. Yes, I will do this extra work even if it is not important. Yes, I will answer every message immediately.
Yes, I will watch one more video and another and another.
Saying no can save your time and your energy.
For example, you can say no to notifications. Turn off some notifications on your phone. You don't need to see every message the second it arrives.
Your phone is a tool, not your boss.
Another way to protect your time is to plan your day a little. You don't need a big, complicated plan, just 3 important things.
Yes. For example, you can say, today I want to 1. Study English for 20 minutes. 2. Exercise for 20 minutes. 3. Call my grandmother.
Then, try to do those 3 things before you start your waste time activities.
You can still relax later. But first, give some time to the things that matter.
There is also another problem. Sometimes we waste time because we are scared.
Scared of what?
Scared to start. For example, you want to start a project, but you feel nervous. You don't know how. You think you are not good enough. So you open social media to forget your fear.
So the phone is not the real problem. The fear is the problem, and the phone is the escape.
Exactly. We escape into easy things because hard things make us uncomfortable.
But if you always escape, your life never changes. You stay the same, year after year.
And later you think, where did my life go?
To your fear and your phone.
That is why it is important to do small, brave actions every day. Even small action is better than no action.
Like if you are scared to speak English, you can start with 5 minutes of listening every day. It is small, but it is progress.
Or if you want to get fit, you don't need to go to the gym for 2 hours. You can walk for 15 minutes every day. Just start with something.
Small actions, repeated every day, use your time well, and slowly change your life.
Let's talk about death for a moment.
Wow, Theo, you just jumped.
I know. But thinking about death can help us understand time. Imagine you are 90 years old and you look back at your life. What will you remember?
Probably not the funny videos you watched at 23.
You will remember the people you loved, the things you created, the places you visited, the times you were brave, the skills you learned, the help you gave to others.
So, if we know this, we can ask a simple question every day. Will I be happy about this when I am 90?
If the answer is yes, it is probably a good way to spend your time.
If the answer is no, maybe it is a waste.
For example, will I be happy at 90 that I studied English and could talk to many people from different countries? Yes, probably yes.
Will I be happy at 90 that I watched 20,000 random videos that I don't remember? Probably not.
I don't think so.
There is also another danger: comparing your life with other people online.
Oh, that is a big one. You see photos of perfect bodies, perfect trips, perfect success. You think my life is nothing.
Then you feel bad and you waste more time because you don't feel good enough to do something real.
But remember, social media is a highlight reel. People show the best 5% of their life. You don't see the other 95%.
So when you compare, you waste your time and your energy. Instead of comparing, you can use that time to work on your own life.
Your real life, not your online image.
Yes, real progress is better than fake perfection.
So let's make this very practical. Imagine you are listening to this podcast and you think, yes, I waste too much time. I want to change. What can you do today?
Step 1. Observe your time. For one day, write what you do every hour.
Step 2. Choose 3 important things for tomorrow. Only 3. Make them small and realistic.
Step 3. Decide one activity that you will reduce. Not stop completely, just reduce. For example, I will use social media 30 minutes less today.
Step 4. Use the extra time for something good. It can be learning, moving your body, talking to someone, or working on a small goal.
When you do this again and again, your days become different. And when your days are different, your life becomes different.
It doesn't happen in one day, but it also doesn't happen if you wait and do nothing.
Time passes anyway. You can't stop it, but you can decide how you use it.
There is a nice idea I like. You are not killing time. Time is killing you.
That is dark, but also true.
Yes. Every hour is another hour of your life. So it's better to ask, what am I giving my life for right now?
Am I giving it for a dream, for a person I love, for my growth? Or am I giving it for nothing?
If the answer is for nothing many times, it is time to change something.
And you don't need to be perfect. Nobody uses 100% of their time perfectly. That is impossible.
Of course, it is okay to relax, to play, to be silly. We are humans, not machines.
The goal is not no fun. The goal is less waste.
Exactly. Less autopilot, more intention.
Let's also talk about friendships and time. Sometimes we waste our life with the wrong people.
Yes, if you spend all your time with people who complain, who don't want to improve, who laugh at your dreams, you will probably stay stuck.
Your time with people is powerful. It can lift you up or pull you down.
So ask, after I spend time with this person, do I feel better or worse? More energy or less energy? More hope or less hope?
If you always feel worse, maybe you need to spend less time with them. Again, you are protecting your life.
And if you can't find people who support you, you can still use time to support yourself. Listen to podcasts that inspire you, read books, watch content that teaches you something.
Use technology as a tool to grow, not as a way to disappear.
Speaking of technology, I want to say something to the listeners. Right now, you are using your time well.
Yes, you are listening to English, training your brain, and thinking about your life. This is not a waste.
So thank you for giving us your time. We respect it. We know it is a part of your life.
And we want you to leave this episode with one clear idea. Your time is your life. When you respect your time, you respect your life.
You don't need to change everything today. Just start with one thing. One small change.
Maybe after this episode, you can turn off your phone for 30 minutes. Sit quietly. Think about what you really want in your life.
Ask yourself, if I don't want to waste my life, what should I start doing? And what should I stop doing so much?
Write your answers. Put them somewhere you can see them. On your wall, your mirror, your desk.
And then, every day, do something small that moves you in that direction.
One day, you will look back and say, I am happy I did not waste my time. I used it for something that matters.
And we hope that Sidekick English can be one of the good ways you use your time.
So before we finish, remember to subscribe to Sidekick English if you haven't already. Click that subscribe button so you don't miss future episodes.
And like this episode if it was useful for you. It really helps more people find this podcast.
Also, share it with a friend who wants to learn English, or a friend who always says, I don't have time.
Yes, send it to that friend. Maybe you will help them change their life a little.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us today. Take care of your minutes, and they will take care of your life.
This was Theo.
And this was Maya.
And this was Sidekick English. See you in the next episode.
Bye for now.